Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
The Japanese motorcycle manufacturer, Honda, is once again including a DAX in its European model range. However, the new edition comes as a 125. Already on December 16, 2020, Honda had the word mark ST125 protected by the European Patent Office. The designation was entered in Nice Class 12. Honda can use the ST125 designation for vehicles or accessories. If you can't associate any models with the ST abbreviations from Honda, the cult minibike DAX might mean something to you. The DAX rolled off the production lines in the 1970s as the ST50, ST70 and ST90. The peg plate frame and the small, balloon-shaped tires were characteristic. Now the DAX is officially back in the European range, after 41 years of abstinence and as a 125. Technology is available. The new edition of the DAX is again based on a pressed steel frame, which also houses the 3.8-liter tank. The ST125 DAX rolls on 12-inch wheels, 120/70 at the front and 130/70 at the rear. And the air-cooled 2-valve 4-stroke engine uses a 4-speed gearbox with a centrifugal clutch. The gears are engaged by foot pedal, manual clutching is not required. To idle, simply step down. The new DAX follows the historical model, but is technically up to date. No wonder, after all, a modern DAX was already offered in Japan from 1995 to 2003. Now she can go back to the European market. The front wheel has a $31 fork. The rear wheel is in a steel box swing arm and is supported by 2 spring struts. In the cockpit, a modern LCD display with the look of a round instrument provides information. And the entire lighting is based on LED technology. The disc brake system, 220mm front 190mm rear, on both wheels is combined with ABS. On the 775mm high seat, the new DAX should even comfortably accommodate 2 adults. The passenger can hold on to a chrome handle. Heated grips and a luggage rack are optionally available. The DAX inherits the 125 4-stroke injection engine from the Honda Super Cub C125. It delivers 9.4 horsepower and 10.8 Nm. This should even be possible in 2-person operation 90 things. The Japanese specify the weight of the DAX as 107 kilograms. The raised exhaust with a slotted heat shield is reminiscent of the original DAX. An integrated catalytic converter ensures compliance with Euro 5. In addition, the new DAX should be so economical that you could cover 240 kilometers in one go. Honda has not yet announced prices and a market launch date for the new DAX. The ST125 DAX should soon be rolling out to dealers in gray and red.